Ready to ditch the costly lead generation software and unlock a free lead generation powerhouse? Today, we're diving into how you can use Zapier, combined with totally free tools, to build a lead generation system that won't break the bank. We will be using Google Forms, Google Sheets, and your email service provider, such as Gmail or Outlook. First, create a simple lead capture form using Google Forms. Think name, email, maybe a brief description of their needs. Keep it concise to maximize completion rates. This is going to be where your leads enter the system. Next, create a Google Sheet with corresponding columns for each field in your Google form. This is going to be your lead database. Now, jump into Zapier and click Create Zap. This is where the magic happens. For your trigger, choose Google Forms and select New Form Response as the event. Connect your Google Forms account and select the specific form you just created. Next, for your action, choose Google Sheets and select Create Spreadsheet Row as the event. Connect your Google Sheets account and select a spreadsheet you created earlier. Now, map the data from your Google form to the correct columns in your Google Sheet. This tells Zapier where to put the information from each form submission. To notify yourself for each new lead, select Gmail as the action app and select Send Email as the event. Connect your Gmail account and customize a simple email to be sent to you when a new lead comes in. Test your Zap to make sure everything is working correctly, then turn it on. Congratulations, you've just automated your lead generation with completely free tools. Now you can sit back and watch the leads roll in. Don't forget to subscribe for more automation hacks.